In this video, I'll show you how to play Skylanders on an Xbox Series X. The process is simple, so just follow along. Yes, Skylanders does work on modern Xbox consoles, including the Series X. If you search for Skylanders on the Microsoft Store, either on Xbox.com or directly through your console, you'll see several results. However, when you click on them, most will say not available separately. This means you can't buy the games digitally anymore. The only exception is Skylanders Supercharger's Portal Owners Pack, which still appears as a digital option. So to play Skylanders on your Xbox Series X, you'll need to buy an Xbox One disc version of the game. Only Xbox One discs work. You can't use the Xbox 360 discs because those versions are not backwards compatible on the Series X. For example, Xbox 360 editions of Trap Team or Swap Force will not work. You must look for the Xbox One release of any Skylanders title. You can usually find used copies on eBay. As long as the disc was made for Xbox One, it will run on the Series X without issues. I hope this helped. If it did, please consider subscribing. 83% of viewers aren't subscribed, and your support helps us make better videos.